YouTube, what's going on? All right, well, this is my second ever video. All right, we'll see how this one goes. I have no idea what to expect. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have some thoughts, but you know, check out this dude I got going on. What y'all think? Y'all like it? I don't know. I think it's a little bit, maybe a little bit much. Just kidding. I woke up like this. Yeah, that's a little bit much. Well, to be honest, my day was actually pretty boring. I had a bunch of online classes, which, I mean, they're interesting. It's good, but I just don't like sitting in front of a computer for 10 hours. I did have some fun, though, with the classes. I decked myself out in full camo, set up a virtual camo background on the amazing Zoom today. So all you could see were my eyes, because I had a face mask on and everything. It's pretty great. Well, you can see my eyes and my monster eyebrows, but, you know, that's, yeah, who doesn't see these things? But yeah, other than that, it was pretty uneventful. So I'll let you fast forward to the boring stuff. That was English class. We're reading The Crucible. It's a play. I had never heard of it until we started reading it. It's actually a really good play. It's got a lot of plot twists, gut-wrenching moments, but yeah, it's good. Y'all should check it out. I think it's good stuff. Well, my car's dead. It won't even think about starting right now. No lights came on. The locks don't even work. Apparently, I left my seat warmer plugged in, so that was a big oops. But whatever. Oh, this is just an absolute blast. So, this whole coronavirus thing, can we just please stop hoarding toilet paper? There is such an easy fix to this, guys. I don't know why everybody is freaking out about toilet paper. Look, all we need to do, just get a bidet, guys. Come on. It's not that hard to fix the problem. Just get a bidet. Europeans right now are laughing their heads off at us because they all have bidets. Like, we don't even have this problem. Hey, my lights just popped on. That's good. Listen, it's good for the environment, and it's good for you too. So it's better than toilet paper anyway. All right, let's see what happens. She started. All right, there we go. It's a good sign.
6%.
Wow.
Please, newsrooms around the country.
Yeah, fun fact, I like talk radio.
Directors, producers, executives, pay attention because the numbers you're throwing...
Yeah, numbers you're throwing. All right, ending this. I'm getting some weird looks. Got the windows rolled down. Woo! But you know, it is what it is. You are my fire, the one desire by me. When I say I want it that way. But we are two worlds apart. Can't reach to your heart when you say that I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a you have no idea how weird it is for you to be the only person in the car. You happen to be an 18-year-old male, and you're belching Whitney Houston. Wait, belching? No, belting. Wow, that'd be really weird to be able to belch Whitney. I've got some friends who can belch Whitney Houston, but I'm talking about belting Whitney Houston. Yeah, that's awkward. So every time, and, you know, I sing a lot in the car, and I sing really loud, but it's always when I'm by myself because nobody wants to hear me sing in the car, gracious sakes. So whenever I see people out, you know, there was so many people out walking this evening. It was ridiculous. The weather's beautiful, and of course we're all quarantined up, can't go anywhere. So, you know, everybody's out walking. So everybody was looking at me because I had it playing loud and I had the windows rolled down. My hair was blowing in the wind, which just added to the pathos of the Whitney Houston song. I guess it's weird too, just to be singing a Backstreet Boys song too, and you'll be the only guy in the car. Yeah, so I always try and cover up my mouth when I'm at a stoplight or whatever, or act like I'm just talking on the phone or something. But yeah, it's just, I'm learning not to pay too much attention to the people around me when I'm singing, but you kind of can't help it. So I need to apologize to all my chicks out there. Well, at least the ones that I couldn't remember their names. I got to make up to them somehow. But I have them all sorted out now. So, see, I can fix the problem because I called them the wrong names last night. Did not mean to. So I'm going to right this wrong right now. Okay, let's see what we got here. Can you all hear them? All right. Oh, they're getting excited. Okay. They start flying around when I remove the top off this here. Okay. Can you all see these things? Not really that well. Okay. Come here. This is Corona. You gotta have something. I mean, we gotta name our Corona. This is a really big event going on we got right now. Okay. This is Appalachia. Okay. This sweet little chicken right here is Penelope. I don't know if we just named her Penelope to name her Penelope, or if we named her after Odysseus, his awesome wife in the Odyssey. This here, this is the fat golden comet. This is Nugget. Of course, you gotta have a chicken named Nugget, because you can just call it, you know, it's chicken nugget. And it's nugget size right now, too. This one here is Berta. Fun fact, when I was 2, my sister was born, and I wanted to name her Berta, but Mom and Dad would not let me. And after I found out that they didn't name her Berta, I cried. Dead serious, that is not a joke. Okay, also, last one, here is Miss Pluot. She's my favorite. She's also the smallest. She's just sitting here perched on my finger here. So, oh, and there's Corona. She likes to fly up on top of the bin. She's looking at you like you're a weirdo. Let's see what she thinks. Oh, she's getting up in your face. What do you have to say for yourself, Corona? Huh? Come on, give him something funny. Do something funny. Don't fall. All right. I will see you yahoos later, okay? All right. Behave, girlfriends. All right. So there. I fixed the chick problem, okay? Got all my chicks in line, all right? Okay. I can rest easy now knowing that I've taken care of that issue. So other than that, that's all I got for y'all today. So like I said, it was pretty uneventful. Hopefully things will be a little bit more eventful in the coming videos because things are finally starting to warm up. It's not raining outside, and we get spring break next week. And of course I won't be in school on Friday because I'm not in school ever on Fridays. So hopefully we can have some fun, but I don't know. Until then, like I said, don't do anything I wouldn't do.